Hey guys, Dog Tripod here again, just making some more of these videos of my computer parts. So here we have my motherboard, the Hero Alpha Maximus 8 Republics of Gamers motherboard by Asus. Let me just have a quick read of what comes in here, so any interesting stuff. Obviously it's for the Skylake one, was it LGA 1151 socket. I have a quick unboxing thing of the CPU on video up, so you can check that out. So yeah, now the reason I picked this motherboard was it has a lot of features in it. Main ones obviously is chipset. Second one is just the actual stuff on the the connections you get. Like there's this the USB 3.1, 3.1C Type C, a couple of other ports there, and then as well it supports up to 30. I don't want to say what it supports up to because let me have a quick check, see if I can find it here, because I don't want to give you false information or anything. Yeah, so it supports up to 3866 megahertz DDR4, and I got 3600. So yeah, that's the main reason I wanted to get that fast RAM. So I had to get a motherboard that supports it. So apparently it has a bot key too. You can make any keyboard programmable. It's supposed to have really good sound, Supreme FX audio. Has a built-in DAC, I believe. Shielding from interference and noise. It's a RGB. The actual Republic of Gamers logo is RGB on it. Has a LAN guard, whatever that is. Let me have a look. Protect your motherboard against lightning strikes and static electricity. Apparently, has a AC Wi-Fi in it. Actually, yeah. Does it say it on it here? Pretty sure it does. I hope it does. Not that I'll be using wired, obviously, but it's kind of nice to have just in case. No, I can't see it. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, Wi-Fi 802.11 A, B, G, N, and AC. So it's 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So let's I suppose start getting this out of the box. What's this? Some warship something. Some game. Holy shit, how do you open this thing? This is kinda weird. Oh, okay. I see how it's done. I feel like a noob now. Yeah, in case you haven't watched the other videos, this is my first time ever unboxing computer parts. My first ever build of a computer, so please be not so harsh on me, even if I make stupid mistakes. You can say shit to me, I don't care, but I mean, I'd prefer positive feedback if possible. Alright. Oh, holy shit, I'm gonna have to name out all these wires, haven't I? Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on. I'm not gonna take it out of this. Because like I said in the other video, I'm not building for 2 weeks. I don't want anything getting broken. This is, like I said, more just, okay, this is what comes in it, blah blah blah. So this is your I/O shield, silver I/O shield for your case. It comes with your user manual and driver CD, but one, I will not have a disc reader on my case, and two, everyone says go online and get them. So this here is your Wi-Fi adapter, it looks like. So I'm going to take it as, yeah, dual band Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi adapter. CPU installation tool. I don't even know whenever uses them though. This here is, oh my god, I'm gonna have to name these, and I don't even know what half of them are. Like I said, it's my first build. Oh, it's a SATA cable, 6 gigabit SATA cable. It looks like there's 2 of them in there. What is this? Oh, holy shit, I don't even know what this cable is. I'm such a noob. It's like that, if you can see it. It's like it has a, I don't even know what type of connector. Is that a Molex connector? Is that what they're called? I might be wrong, so if I'm wrong, let me know. I still have to learn all these. Are these? Yeah, more SATA cables. Holy shit, another one of these connectors. I don't know. Are these USB connectors? I still have to look up all this stuff and find out exactly which wires are which. I think maybe they're USB, but I think that ones with like little pins are like Molex and the wires going in. Maybe they're not though, I don't know. Oh, this is your SLI bridge thing, the like Republic of Gamers one. I won't be doing that at SLI, and I will tell you why now. I was going to get 2 GPUs and do SLI. I decided against it because I'm literally just using the CPU I've ordered as a temporary until Pascal comes out, and then I'll be getting Pascal. So that's why I wasn't wasting money on a second GPU. What is this? This is SATA as well. These can't all be SATAs, are they? They give you 6 SATA cables? Do you really use that many? These all for like, I thought you use SATAs for hard drives. Maybe I'm wrong though. I just call this opening computer parts like a noob. That's what I should call this video. Oh, I don't know the name of this thing, but I know what it is. It's basically for like your yeah, like your speaker and stuff like that. Speakers and it was your HD audio and stuff. And you like put them in here, and then you plug that into your board. Apparently, it makes everything easier. I believe this is for the M.2 if you have an M.2 drive. It's like a little nut that you can screw in, and then you screw in the other little nut in to keep it in place. Some hard drive labels, key stickers, ROG Republic of Gamers cable stickers. That's kind of cool. That gives you something like that. Some case badges. And a do not disturb thing for your door, which is kind of funny. So yeah, that's basically what comes in it. Sorry if I got any of these cables wrong, guys. Really sorry. Like I said, I'm scrub-tastic right now at building computers. I've never built one. So I'll put all this back. This is kind of cool. Like the back of the I/O shield is actually spongy. It's kind of cool. Okay, I think that was in here, right? Yeah. Okay, so actually no, I'll just take it out. Not take it out, but like, because there's probably an awful shine on that for you guys. So apparently this is an anti-stack box, so we should be good. So this is it here, the Hero Alpha Maximus 8, I believe. So yeah, it's like plastic. So your CPU goes in here, RAM, and then you've got your PCIe lanes. This here, if you can see it, is what the is RGB. This little logo here. Now I know you've red in here, up here, and around the edge, but it's still kind of nice to get that. Like I said, there's like switches down here, like a start switch, I'm presuming like a flash BIOS, safe boot, or something. I'm not even going to pretend I know what all they are, because I don't want to give you, again, false information. But I'll be reading up a lot more before I actually do the build. I'm 70 to 80% sure I know I could get away with building it now if I had all my parts, but like that, I don't want to break anything. So this here is the motherboard. Hope you guys get a good look at it. It's pretty cool looking. I mean, it's a bit of weight to it. I thought motherboards would be a lot lighter than this. But yeah, awesome. So I will unbox my next part now. Thank you guys for watching. So I'll just box this back up and then I will end the video. Hope you guys keep watching. I hope this is enjoyable. I mean, I really want to just do this because I want to keep, you know, track of my build and stuff. It's kind of cool to watch. Maybe in a couple of years when I actually know what I'm doing, I'll be like, oh my god, I'm such a little scrub, I didn't know I needed cables. But I mean, it's just a bit of fun too, so I thought I'd share with you guys. Let's see what's going now. Yeah, there we go. Fun, fun, fun. Or not. Holy shit. There we go. Yeah, so, yeah, it's like a little vlog thing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, I didn't see anything for this. World of Warships. I don't know where you get the code or whatever it is to invite that game. I thought it would be like a little sheet in the actual case, but apparently not. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will make the next video now. See you soon.